Good night. My name is Javier Barco. I am a student of business administration. Today, I will talk about my trip to San Andres. On the last vacation, we went to San Andres Island with my wife and daughter. It was a trip that we scheduled for 10 years. It was the first plane trip for my daughter and also for me. We studied in an economic hostel near the beach. The weather is very nice and hot. We travel from San Andres to Yonke. We do not recommend that trip since it is very dangerous because of the strong waves. My wife suffered strong blows. Besides, my daughter was very scared. The stay and food on the island is very expensive, but a highly recommended plan is to rent a car and go around the island since the landscape is very beautiful and the trip is calm. We traveled by boat and took us to emblematic place in the area and explained the function of the rafts and also showed us the area of the mangroves and the function they fulfill in the ecosystem. The food is very rich and there are many restaurants that offer a variety of dishes. We ate fish and drank the famous crazy coconut, in addition to the coconut lime, which is very delicious. I recommended scheduling the trip in advance and paying for a plan with a travel agency, so that is less expensive. And in this way, you can enjoy more of the stay on the island since it has activities to enjoy such as the buceo, boating, caving and others. But you have to be careful since there are people who can scam you. Thanks.